Hello everybody, welcome to this Steamboat channel. If you've subscribed already, a big thumbs up to you. If you're not subscribed, there's a button for subscriptions, there's a little bell for notifications when I upload a new video. I'm doing another little card trick for you now. I tell you what I've done, I've just turned over 10 cards and I'll just show you them here, right? There are 10 cards here, yeah? So, let's just see. If we go, there's card number 1, yeah? Card number 1 there. And then we'll put that there. And then it's it's card number 2 there, yeah? So we'll just put that over there. There's card number 3. Yeah, card number 3. Card number 4 there. Card number 4. There's card number 5. Let's do it a bit quicker. Card number 6. Card number 7. And card number 8. And then really quick there. Card number 9. And card number 10. So there we go. So 10 cards there. 10 cards there. So what I'll do is I'll pop them down there and I'll put the big Caesar's Palace card on top, so they're all locked in. Yeah. Now this is not a prediction trick, this is a trick with a twist. For want of a better word. A trick with a twist. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do like a little riffle shuffle. So riffle shuffle is where I'm doing that sort of thing there. Yeah, can you see that? So I'm going to do that. Let me just do it that way, then you might be able to see it then. So I'm doing a riffle shuffle there like that, and at some point you'd say stop. Oops, let's try again. So it's at some point we'll say stop, yeah, and I'll look at the camera and it's to say stop there. Right? So I'll then just pull out the cards as quick as I can, go boom, there we go. Boom. Put them down there, put them on top there, and that is it. Now, this card is what you have stopped at as the riffle shuffle card. And let's just see what that card is. It doesn't really matter if I can see it because it is a 3. A 3. So what we're going to do is, because we've got cards over there, 10 cards there, we've got a whole deck of cards there, we've got a number 3 here, I'm going to wave that across there because I want to draw up 3 cards. And I'm going to wave it over there, fling it over there, I'll wave it over there, drop the card, and I've now transported cards from there to there. You're thinking he hasn't done that, he hasn't done that. Let's just see, has he done that? Let's have a quick look. Let's have a quick look. There's 1 card, there's 2 cards, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 cards. So that, my friends, is magic.